Today we got the Samsung Galaxy A05s, and this phone needs to replace the LCD. It's broken. To get and remove the LCD, we need to remove the back plastic using the suction cup, and with this tool in my right hand, we are going to make a gap so we can make that gap to insert a plastic piece so we can remove the back plastic. I know I don't I don't use anymore the heating gun to heat the adhesive. I used these tools, or I can use alcohol to make the adhesive soft. You can put some alcohol inside all the frame, beside all the frame, and this will help you to remove the back plastic easily. This phone seems the first time being opened, that's why I can't remove it easily. Or the adhesive can be soft with the isopropyl alcohol 99%. You can use that alcohol to help removing the back. You can remove the back. We don't have anything to be damaged there, but don't insert the plastic piece in the middle of the phone because we have fingerprint flex cable. It could be damaged, or in the middle of the phone we have the screen flex cable. So now we are going to remove all the screws from the frame or from the housing. We have about 15 screws. After that, the first thing to do is to remove the SIM card tray. It's very important because we can't remove the housing. You can detach now the housing from the frame easily after removing the screw. Be careful not to push too much because we don't need to cut or broke that flex cable of the fingerprint. Alright, unplug it and now continue removing the back housing. This device is not too hard to be fixed, you just need to follow my lead. Alright, now we are going always to unplug the battery flex cable. In this LCD we have the screen flex cable connected to the main board to the subboard. So we have one flex cable need to be replaced with the LCD. In this model we replaced with original a new LCD comes from some company in local country, so we can buy them. I don't buy online. We have local distribution in our country and we can take these components from them or parts. Alright, the screen is somehow removed because it was broken. I didn't need too much assistance to remove the screen. Remember, these cards, I use them, the blue one, it came from the screen protectors for the iPhone. When I put the screen protector for the customer, I keep these one. It's supposed to protect the screen protector. Consider subscribing. Now, and every phone we need to do the cleaning. The cleaning is very necessary to put the screen in the frame, and we need it to be flat. And mean flat, it's very good shape in its position. It should be fit like the original one. Alright, remove all the adhesive left and remove any tiny piece of the glass that could be left from the old one that it's broken. That's a very very important thing. A tiny piece of glass could break the new LCD when you press it down in the position. You can use any tool to remove and clean the frame, or you can replace it or buy a new LCD with a frame. This is KPS LCD. I used these screens earlier, and this is a new company in our country. It's not from our country, it's a distributor in our country. It's from China anyway. I don't know if you can find these screens on the internet, but these screens is very very good screens. Alright, always put the screen, see it's fit and good. After that you can consider glue the screen and then finish repairing this device. But before you do that, plug these cables. Make sure the device is charging, it's powering on, the screen is good and it's functional very good. The screen touch also is working. In this phone, we don't have to power it on from these because we have power button on the other side. So we are going to power on the device and test the LCD, but I skipped that in the video. But now you can make sure the device is charging, powered on, the touch screen is working, and there is no problem with the touch screen, and all the points is touching, and we don't have dead points on the screen. This information is very important before you glue the screen on the position. As you can see, the device is 0%, so I waited to charge this device, and after that I start putting the glue. I skipped that because it takes long time. It's not necessary to put it in the video because I didn't do something you can do, but the repair and the technique you need to see is all included in the video. Alright, now we are going to put the glue. It's a black adhesive and this is water resistant and it's good. I used it for several years, maybe 2 years from now. It's called CP0002 and there is also 001 and it's different and it's I forget that word. Transparent. Alright. Now we can put the flex cables in the position, start fixing in the bottom to the top. Alright, you can see how the screen fits in the border. Very, very good in the position. And this is a perfect job we can do for our customer. Remove any unnecessary glue that left or get out from inside the LCD. Alright, remove these sticker, we don't need it. Connect the cables on the position. Make sure the battery also is connected, and after that we are going to plug the it's the fingerprint sensor. There is no power with that cable. It's just for the fingerprint sensor. Alright, now push and put the framing in the housing and that's it. Put the screws down and close the back. This should be easy to do and you should be able to do and fix this problem by yourself. We don't need too much skill to do that. Also don't screw the screw too much, or don't push or make it tight. We don't need the screw to go under the LCD and could broke the LCD. Remember, that information is very useful. After that, we charge the phone, make the cleaning after you put the back plastic, remove any adhesive is left there, and then we can end this video. If you have any questions, don't forget to like and subscribe to support our channel. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.